PVC-U windows have made huge leaps in development over recent years and decades. They've become high-tech for discerning builders and property owners, and the top choice for those who want to combine efficiency and design. Because windows made of PVC-U still provide the best value for money. The world market leader VEKA offers profiles for window frames and sashes, for residential and balcony doors, for sliding doors and roller shutters. And all in the highest quality. That's what the name VEKA has represented for over 5 decades now. Whether you're planning to build a new house or renovate an existing one for energy efficiency, with PVC-U windows made from VEKA quality profiles, you can realize just about any design you wish for. Because they're versatile and adaptable to your style preferences and the conditions of your project. One important design element is, of course, the color of your windows. Windows in anthracite, for example, provide a striking contrast to a white facade. With windows made from VEKA profiles, you can set whatever design accents you like. Make your home beautiful.
VEKA, the quality profile.